Welcome back. In this module, we'll debunk some of the most popular affiliate marketing myths. I know some of you may have doubts and thoughts on affiliate marketing. You have people telling you that you would not earn a massive commission if you do not possess a huge mailing list. Some people may also tell you that the commissions you earn are too little and it's just not worth the effort. Therefore, let's debunk some of the popular affiliate marketing myths. The most popular myth concerns the size of your email list. It's one of the biggest misconceptions out there. People say you need a huge list to make money with affiliate marketing. That just isn't true. The quality of the list is more important than its size. Just because you can email to 100,000 subscribers doesn't mean you'll make any sales. Having a list of buyers is 100 times better than having a list of subscribers that have only opted in for a free report. Because those free subscribers can and will make purchases, but someone that has already purchased from you are already starting to trust you and will make more purchases because you have recommended it to them. Always remember, the bigger the email list with buyers will in turn produce higher commissions and profits from your efforts to deliver quality and value to them. It's not just about delivering promotions to them all the time, but also giving them advice and showing them results. Sending them clickable links or any forms of call to actions in every email is important to have them view your recommendations regularly. Emailing daily is a must. You need to keep you and your brand at the top of the subscriber's mind and inbox. Don't let yourself be forgotten. If you're not emailing your list at least once a day, you're leaving money on the table. There goes that extra commission you could be making. At some point, having a huge email list is important, but it's not the sole measurement of a successful affiliate email campaign. In fact, many marketers worry and do their best to maintain their overall number of subscribers on their lists. Keeping subscribers is important, but it's not the only stat to focus on. The next myth that we're going to debunk is technical barriers. Contrary to popular belief, you don't really need to know all of the computer jargon to make commissions. Just hop over to WordPress.com and start making your own website or blog from there. It's the most simple and user-friendly website making you can ever use. Pick a layout and treat the whole editing process as part of your branding material, from the colors all the way to the pictures you choose. In order to get a large number of visitors to your sites, you have to enhance your search engine optimization (SEO) skills, since search engine traffic contributes to a large part of the total traffic going to a niche site. WordPress has all that. The right-hand panel post setting utilizes the SEO. You're now ready to optimize your site.